विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. कालच्या तासिकेमध्ये आपण रियल नंबरच्या संदर्भात नॅचरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर, रॅशनल नंबर, इरॅशनल नंबर, all these numbers are collect together form a real number. Next we have to see again that is order relation on Q. त्याच्यामधलं ऑर्डर रिलेशन काय आहे ते पण आपण बघितलं आहे. आणि आजच्या तासिकेला that is properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. That is परिमेय संख्यांचे गुणधर्म काय सांगतात तर there are two types. Number one that is addition property and number two multiplication property. अशा दोन प्रकारचे गुणधर्म या रॅशनल नंबर मध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येतात. काय होतं if a b c are any irrational numbers, if a b c are any irrational numbers, हे समजा रॅशनल नंबर्स आहे परिमेय संख्या आहे तर पहिला गुणधर्म काय सांगतो a plus b is equal to b plus a. a plus b is equal to b plus a, that is commutative property. त्याचा एक्झाम्पल जर घेतला आपण फॉर एक्झाम्पल that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to येणारे आन्सर जे आहे ते किती असेल 6. that is 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Addition 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, that is there is change, interchange, that is 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So therefore is called, that is the commutative property. There is no change to both side. दोन्ही बाजूमध्ये आपल्याला कुठलाही बदल आढळून येत नाही. So therefore that is the commutative. Number 2, a plus b 1 bracket plus c is equal to a plus bracket b plus c, that is associative. This property is called, that is the associative property. A plus b first bracket plus c is equal to a plus b plus c bracket. Associative property. For example देते हैं तो आपको 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to, again that is 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is addition is that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 8. 5 plus 5 10 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 10. So therefore both the sides are equal. That is known as, that is the associative property. Number 3, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, that is the additive inverse, that is additive property. Additive त्याला बेरीज a plus 0 is the element of addition, that is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. additive properties याचं सुद्धा आपल्याला उदाहरण घेते. that is a plus 0 means या ठिकाणी a is any rational number. 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to again 2. So therefore a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is known as, that is the additive property. Secondly, number 4, a plus in bracket a minus a is equal to 0, that is the additive त्याला addition inverse सुद्धा म्हणतात. For example, suppose here 5 plus in bracket minus 5 is equal to 0. By means of 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the 5 is the addition inverse of minus 5, or minus 5 is the addition inverse of 5. Is known as, that is the identity. That is the, here is identity by means of, that is the addition inverse. त्याला बेरीज व्यस्त सुद्धा असे म्हणतात. अशा प्रकारचे 4 गुणधर्म आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचे. a plus in bracket minus a is equal to 0, that is the identity. That is the two opposite numbers add together, y should be 0. आपल्याला काय मिळेल 0 मिळेल. समजा या ठिकाणी 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. that is the two opposite number, 5 opposite minus 5 or minus 5 opposite 5, then we will get, that is the 0 answer. Is known as, that is the additive inverse. Like as again number 2, that is b. Here is properties of multiplication. हेच गुणधर्म आपल्याला बेरजेच्या स्वरूपामध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला गुणाकार स्वरूपात सुद्धा मांडता येतात. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन, गुणाकाराचे गुणधर्म. फॉर ए, that is the rational number. So therefore number 1, here is if that is A, B, C are any irrational number, any rational numbers, then number one, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A is known as, that is the commutative property. Again, number two, that is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to, that is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. That is the property associative, is known as, that is the associative property. Number three, that is A multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by A. That is the here multiplication property, multiplicative property. And number four, that is A multiplied by 1 upon A is equal to 1 upon A multiplied by A is equal to, that is 1. Here is, that is identity. That is the multiplicative inverse. A into 1 upon A is equal to 1 upon A into A. We will get, that is the answer 1. Here is also, that is example of it. याचे सुद्धा आपल्याला उदाहरण घेता येतील. For example, that is here A into B, here 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. That is the commutative property. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So therefore, that is the commutative property. Again, number two, that is A into B, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Sorry, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 50, that is 30, is equal to 30. So therefore, is known as, that is the associative property. Now, A into 1 is equal to 1 into A, that is the multiplicative property. That is 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. येणार उत्तर आहे सारखं असेल. And 1 into 1 upon A, that is 5 multiplied by 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 will be cancelled, 5 will be cancelled, is equal to 1. So therefore, product of number and its inverse, product of a number and its inverse, then y should be 1. आपल्याला त्याचं उत्तर 1 येईल. That is the product of two numbers multiplicative inverse, that is 1. So therefore, 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5, or 1 by 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5, is known as, that is the identity. Clear? Is the properties of rational numbers. Next point, decimal representation of rational number. Decimal representation of a rational number, परिमेय संख्यांचं दशमान पद्धतीमध्ये सादरीकरण, प्रतिरूपण. Now, any positive rational number, that is P by Q, here P by Q, after division, actual in the form of, that is here M plus, that is R by Q, is the after division. P by Q is a positive rational number. After division, we can written as M plus R upon Q. For example, suppose here 3 by 5 is a rational number, positive rational number. That is 3 by 5. After division, we will get, that is 3 divided by 5, or here is, that is 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3. For example, 5 divided by 3, here is, that is 5 divided by 3. 5, that is 3 एक 3. Here is remain 2. Written in the form of, that is 1 is the quotient. 1 plus, that is 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 is the integral part and 2 by 3 is a fractional part. integral part and fractional part, we will get that is the rational number p by q. So therefore p by q is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is equal to, we will get 1 plus 2 by 3. So therefore is the actual, that is the after division. After division is the representation of a rational number. Now next example, that is, for example, there are two parts. One part is terminating, second part is non terminating. टर्मिनेटिंग कशाला म्हणतात, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग कशाला म्हणतात, रिकरिंग नॉन रिकरिंग कशाला म्हणतात. तर टर्मिनेटिंग म्हणजे काय, द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिव्हिजन इज कंप्लीटेड. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिव्हिजन इज कंप्लीटेड इज कॉल्ड इट इज टर्मिनेट. इज कॉल्ड इट इज द टर्मिनेट. भागाकाराची जर प्रक्रिया पूर्ण होत असेल, भागाकाराची प्रक्रिया जर पूर्ण होत असेल तर त्याला आपण टर्मिनेट म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज हियर दॅट इज 10 by 2. 10 by 2. बे एक बे बे पंच 10. आन्सर इज 5. कंप्लीट प्रक्रिया झाली. दॅट इज टर्मिनेट. अगेन हियर इज सपोज हियर 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 इथं जर घेतला आपण तर 6 पंच 30. 0.6. 0.6. 5 सक 30. 5 सक 30. 0.6. दॅट इज द टर्मिनेट. अशा प्रकारचा जेव्हा भागाकार येतो, the process of division is completed is called that is the terminate. Non terminate कशाला म्हणायचं, फॉर एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज हियर 10 by 3. 10 by 3 इथं जर भागला आपण 10 by 3 दॅट इज हियर 10 divided by 3. 3 एक 3. 3 त्रिक 9. उरला 1. वर घेतला पॉइंट. 3 त्रिक 9. उरला 1. वर घेतला 0. 3 त्रिक 9. 3 त्रिक 9. असं करता करता भाग तुटणार नाही. 30 ती संख्या, दॅट इज नंबर्स आर रिपीटेड. So therefore the process of division is not completed. The process of division is not completed. So therefore that is the non-terminate number. Non-terminate number म्हणून लक्षात ठेवायचं. दोन भाग येतात त्याच्यामध्ये, एक टर्मिनेट येतो, दुसरा भाग कोणता येतो, नॉन टर्मिनेट. अशा प्रकारचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन त्या डेसिमल नंबरचं असतं. क्लियर. सो therefore after here 10 by 3 by means of 3.33333 is the non-terminating number, and here 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6 is the terminating number. अशा प्रकारच्या संख्यांना टर्मिनेट अँड नॉन टर्मिनेट असे म्हणतात. त्याच्यानंतर एक्सप्रेस द रॅशनल नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q फॉर्म. यामध्ये आपल्याला ते नंबर्स लिहायचे आहेत. ते नंबर्स आपल्याला यामध्ये लिहायचे. एक्सप्रेस द रॅशनल नंबर इन p by q फॉर्म. हियर 0.5. 0.5555. Here second example 17.89. त्याच्या डोक्यावरती बार आहे, याचा अर्थ असा रिकरिंग नंबर आहे. तो पुन्हा पुन्हा तो नंबर येणार 89 89 89. दॅट इज द रिकरिंग नंबर. सो therefore here काय करायचं आता, 0.555 रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दॅट इज 0.5. इथे डॉट देतात किंवा बार काढतात. these numbers are repeated again and again. So therefore 0.5 dot. Here let x is equal to 0.5. Let x is equal to 0.5 after decimal point. How many numbers are presented? मग डेसिमल नंबर नंतर डेसिमल पॉइंट नंतर किती घर आहे, एक घर आहे. एक घर आहे याचा अर्थ त्याला दोन्ही बाजूला किती गुणायचं, 10 ने गुणायचं. दॅट इज 10 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय x means 10x is equal to, याला जर 10 ने गुणलं तर 5.5. बरोबर. So therefore 10x x is equal to 0.5. 10x is equal to 5 into 5. याला जर समजा आपण 5 ने जर गुणलं, एक घर समोर 10 ने गुणल्यानंतर. So therefore याला द्यायचं 1 नाव, याला द्यायचं 2 नाव. इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. So therefore that is subtracting second minus 1. काय होईल, 10x minus x is equal to 5.5 dot minus 0.5 dot. That is 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 5.5. 0.5 किती राहिले, 5. क्लियर. याचा वजाबाकी जर केली तर किती राहिले, फक्त 5. सो therefore x is equal to 5 by 9. x is equal to 5 by 9. Express the rational number in the p by q form. So therefore x is nothing but x is equal to p by q is equal to 5 by 9. याला म्हणतात p by 5 चा P by Q. So for express the rational number in the form of P by Q is equal to 5 by 9. ठीक है. Second example here. Second example, that is 17.89 bar. 89 bar. So therefore let X is equal to 17.89 bar. Now here after decimal point, how many numbers are represent? Two numbers. डेसिमल पॉइंट नंतर किती संख्या आल्या? दोन संख्या आल्या. याचा अर्थ किती गुणायचं? मग 100 ने गुणायचं. याला 100 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 100 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय x, दॅट इज 100x इज इक्वल टू, याला जर 100 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 1789.89 बार. दोन संख्या आल्या, दोन घर आले. एक घर आलं असेल 10 ने गुणायचं. दोन घर आले असेल तर 100 ने गुणायचं. तीन घर आले असेल तर 1000 ने गुणायचं. जेवढे घर येत असतील तेवढ्या पटीत त्या संख्या गुणायच्या. 100x इज इक्वल टू 1789.89 बार. 89 बार ह्या झाला एक, याला नाव द्यायचं 2. दोघांची करायची वजाबाकी. सेकंड मायनस 1. सो देयरफॉर 100x मायनस x इज इक्वल टू 1789.89 बार मायनस 17.89 बार. So therefore 100x minus x, that is remaining here 99x is equal to, याची वजाबाकी करायची. 1789 that is 17. इधर आले 9 minus 7 that is 2. 8 minus 1 7 that is 77. 72 point that is here 00. Clear? That is 00. Here 99x is equal to 1772. X is equal to 1772 divided by 99. So therefore that is nothing but S is equal to P by Q is equal to 1772 upon 99 is the P by Q form. याला म्हणतात express the rational number, presentation of rational number in the form of P by Q. तर अशा प्रकारचे उदाहरण आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचे आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.2. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. that is x is equal to p by q is equal to 5 by 9. x is equal to p by q is equal to 1772 upon 99. अशा प्रकारचे उदाहरण सोडवायचे. सिंपली जर आपल्याला म्हटलं की राईट द डेसिमल फॉर्म, तर काय करायचं? अशा प्रकारचे उदाहरण 5/3 that is 0.6 ह्या प्रकारचा उदाहरण जो आहे हा झाला साधा भागाकार. या पद्धतीने उदाहरण सोडवायचे आणि एक्सप्रेस जर म्हटलं असेल तर या पद्धतीने ती उदाहरण आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येतात. ठीक आहे.